Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is bottle gourd kheer or lauki ki kheer. Lauki is a cooling veggie to have during the summers. Lauki ki kheer is a creamy dessert which my family enjoys the most. This recipe is very simple and even a beginner can make this. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Do like, comment and share. The ingredients are as follows. Soak half cup of sago rice or sabudana in water for 3 hours and strain and keep this aside. I have grated 250 grams of bottle gourd, that is lauki. This is approximately 2 cups. Cover and cook this in a pan till it is cooked well and keep this aside. Now heat 1 liter of milk in a heavy bottom cooking pot. Once the milk comes to a boil, lower the flame and add the soaked sago rice or sabudana. Keep stirring this continuously. Otherwise it will get burnt or it may form lumps. We are going to cook the entire kheer on low flame. Cook till the sabudana is done. The sabudana becomes transparent and floats when it's done. Now add in the cooked bottle gourd or lauki. We need to keep stirring continuously. And don't forget to scrape the fat from the sides. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar and stir this again. Now add 1/4 cup of condensed milk. This helps in thickening the kheer. Now add 1/4 cup of cashew paste. I had soaked few cashews in water and grind it to a paste. Stir this again. Scrape the fat from the sides. So our kheer is almost done. I am now adding few strands of kesar, that is saffron, soaked in milk. Lastly, turn off the flame and add 1/4 cup of unsweetened khova. Now add a few drops of vanilla essence. This is optional. Now our kheer is done. You can refrigerate the kheer and serve it chilled, or you can have it as it is. For the garnishing, heat 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Now add 30 thinly sliced almonds. You can add other dry fruits of your choice. I am using only almonds. Turn off the flame once they turn golden. So our refreshing lauki ki kheer is now done. This tastes very yum. Do enjoy this recipe and let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and thanks for all the love and support. Do keep coming back to my channel for more interesting recipes. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.